Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 93 Brentford Road. This is a 3-bedroom end terrace property with no onward chain. Okay, and then moving into the property, and we've got the hallway here, stairs going up to the first floor, and then a built-in cupboard which houses the gas and electric meters, and then through to the main open plan lounge diner. Where we have sliding doors leading through to the garden and a bay window just here to the front aspect. Through to the kitchen, which has an integrated cooker and gas hob, and plumbing for a washing machine and dishwasher. And then out to the side, where we have a lean-to area, which has a gate leading from the front through to the garden. And then onto the first floor, we have a landing here with loft access just above us and a cupboard which houses the gas boiler. We then have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor. The biggest bedroom here facing towards the rear of the house. Nice view across the garden. And then we have bedroom number 2. Has a view towards the front, and the same with bed 3. And then into the bathroom. WC, wash basin, and then bath. Also has a shower above. Okay, then just moving outside into the rear garden. Particularly long garden out here. Which is mainly lawned and goes right down to the fenced boundary at the far end. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do give the office a call as soon as you can, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.